Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My hair's a mess. It is not cooperating. So after I get my hair out of my face and apparently sneeze, I don't know what was going on with my allergies this day, I go ahead and jump in with my eyes. So wake up, Christy. Let's go, girl. First, I'm going to prime my eyes with some concealer. And then once that is blended out, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, one of my favorite palettes of all time. These shadows are just incredible. And the first shade I'm going to jump in with is the purple shade called Makeda, and just very slowly build up the pigmentation. This way I don't start out with too much product, and of course it's always easier to add than take away. Once I'm satisfied with the pigmentation and the shape of the purple, I dip into Zobo, which is the plum purpley pinkish color, and take that on a fluffier brush and just use that to really blend the edges of Makeda. Once I'm satisfied with my blending, I'm going to use some NYX Glitter Glue and take my finger and place the glitter glue on the inner corner, kind of the inner third of my eye, and use the MAC Loose Glitter in green. I think I show it here in a second, but I just use that on a brush. And with glitter, it can be tricky. I like to work in sections instead of just putting it all on at once. So just take your time and place it exactly where you would like it to be on your eye. Once I have the glitter down, I'm going to go ahead and try and brush away as much of the glitter fallout as I can, but that's one reason I did my eyes before my face, because I knew I was going to have glitter fallout. Once my lashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and prime. I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer as my primer today. No primer water. Aren't you proud of me? Lately, I've really been getting more into a more dewy, luminous look, which is so not me. So I am going to use the NARS, I think it's the Radiant, I don't know off the top of my head. I will put it down below, so make sure you check it down below. But I just think this foundation gives me such a glow, and I just feel luminous and pretty, and I don't need a lot of it. It's such a gorgeous finish. For concealer, I think you already know what I'm going to use. It is the Maybelline Age Rewind. I really need to try something else. I just can't get away with this stuff. It's one of my favorites. And then after that is blended out, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder to set everything in place. Jumping back in to the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, I'm going to start with the purple shade Makeda again and start to blow out my lower lash line, and then take a different brush and smoke the hell out of my lower lash line with that Zobo shade. I am going, again, I say it all the time, with a really big blown out smoky eye. And then pop some mascara on, and I realize my brows are not done and I look weird, but I do them last. I can't help it. So for contour, I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola bronzer and contour, baby. We're just going in today, like to a point. I'm like, holy crap. But hey, I wanted to go heavy-handed. Why not? For blush, I wanted to try this Laura Geller Baked blush. It was kind of like a blush highlighter in one. It is pretty. It isn't super pigmented. I didn't really see it too much, so I jumped into another blush to kind of blend in with it. but I will give that Laura Geller highlight slash blush situation a try in the future because it is pretty. And then for highlight, I'm going to use the Ofra Cosmetics Beverly Hills highlighter and just mix some shades. And if you want to glow, this highlighter it's just amazing. Probably one of my favorite highlighters of all time. Lately, I've really been into spraying my face with my Badescu spray and then taking my beauty sponge and patting it all over the face. I just think it helps everything blend in together, really get those powders soaked into my skin, especially my highlighter, instead of it looking like it's just kind of laying on top of it. I'm going to line my lips with my Rimmel Coffee Bean Liner, and then I'm going to fill it in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick and Trust Issues. And after I do that, I'm going to spray my face with the Ofra Makeup Fixer Setting Spray. And that is it for this look. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.